Eastern Daylight Time. Kane, James City, Kanzu Dam, Ludlow, Scandia, Wetmore, and Wilcox, around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marshburg and Westline around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bradford, Cyclone, Rue, and Kanzu Bridge State Park, around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Starbrick, Eldred, Mount Jewett, Lewis Run, Clarendon, Bradford Airport, and University of Pittsburgh, Bradford. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.